ground screws. These ones are from Radix. I think they're 1.2. So I'll just open it up. See what we got. So this should contain the install tool as well. So I've got a bit of a fix on that, so I might not even need it, but it's always good to have one that actually has all the bits with it, hopefully. Yeah, I want to watch this. Okay, nearly through. I really don't understand why we need so much packaging and protection. Seriously, it's made of pretty decent steel. That's it, you can see it. It's better than the other one. There she is. Let's have a look. Oh, it's like a big wood screw. Look at it. Wow. That's a decent. What is that? Must be 8mm, 9mm, 10mm. Where's my tape? I will put this next to the other one I've got from the other company, which I won't name. Yeah, what's that? Coming on for 9mm. It's not bad. I can take some weight. Right, let's get it up. So this was the same price as the other one, pretty much, from Radix, and the quality is superb, much better than the other one. Let's have a look at the install tool. So this is a DIY install tool. That's another big lump of this out so much. Right. Install tool. Substantial piece of. So this was 80 quid on its own. It's much better than the other one. Good height. Trouble. But the other one's bar didn't fit through there, so you may have seen me use a drill bit. Not a very long drill bit, but did the job. Yeah, that's a nice size. Edge that still needs cutting. Right, I'll compare the two. So, two different types here. About the same price. You can see the top flange, good 9mm. And this one, I don't know, 4 or 5. I'll get my tape on it. The thread, I know it's taller, but the thread goes up much further. And the reason why that's so important is the tensile strength. Because that's what holds it into the ground. So yeah, definitely using these. The price isn't much difference. In fact, the one on the left was the equivalent size. I think it's actually a bit dearer, about another £5. But yeah, I'll definitely be using the one on the right. Yeah, much heavier, feels better. I'll see if I can install it with this tool in a bit, or maybe tomorrow. It's Friday.